Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Kia Optima. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Remember, a jack is for lifting, but jack stands are for supporting the vehicle, so always use them. For the front of your Optima, you have a couple of options. The primary jacking points are the reinforced pinch welds located just behind the front wheels. It is highly recommended to use a jack pad with a groove to prevent bending these welds. An alternative is to use the sturdy front subframe, which can lift both front wheels simultaneously. Moving to the rear, similar to the front, the reinforced pinch welds in front of the rear wheels are ideal for lifting. Again, a jack pad is essential to protect the vehicle's undercarriage. For a central lift, you can carefully use the rear subframe or the lower control arms, ensuring your jack pad is securely positioned on a solid, flat surface. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your Optima. First, slightly raise the vehicle with your jack to relieve pressure, allowing you to remove the jack stands. Then, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Before driving, ensure all tools, including the jack and stands, are clear from underneath and around your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.